Hey, welcome to Five Legs Garage. Guess what we got? That's right, we got some new tunes for Dave's boat. Let's check out the plan. Hey, we made it. We're not in the shop today, as you probably can tell from all the footage going down the road. But hey, here we go. We got our new tunes. Now this thing, if you guys notice some of the other videos, we got the Tahoe. And those tunes are disgusting. These guys are the hotness. We met this dude named Billy. He's an okay dude. Man, we had a lot in common. We talked about a lot of stuff. And he's a lot like me. It might not be running, but we're gonna get it running. So anyway, what we're gonna do right now is just unload those tunes, because I ain't got that kind of time. And we're gonna go ahead and put the head back on this guy. But first, we need to get that bolt out. That's gonna be fun. I got some easy outs, I got some drill bits, I got my drill doctor. We're gonna drill it, we're gonna heat it with a torch, and hopefully get the darn things out. But first, I gotta get these guys off. Actually, if you want to take a look, I did build this guy up. It took me about an hour or so. Some of it, all right, that didn't work out too well. But hey, it's not too bad. Just had a bunch of scrap left over. And it worked, it got us here. It was about 3 hours of driving on some really bumpy roads. But hey, it worked. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting this thing unstrapped. As soon as Dave gets here, we're gonna heave these big jokers up, put them over in the woods, and start on the engine. But first, I'm gonna go fishing. All right, so we are on location. Actually in Dave's house, my little brother. Real quick history on this boat. You can check it out in the other video, but real quick, Dave picked this up about a year ago. Got burned on the price because it needed so much work. Didn't realize it needed this much work. It took it to a mechanic, got burnt, because they were charging outrageous, and still came back with a broken boat. Took about 40 minutes or so, had it running, but then other issues kind of came about. So we're here to fix some of those issues by putting the head back onto this thing. Now we still need to clean it off, but Dave is a little rambunctious and actually broke one of the bolts off in the head. Now we have a bunch of stuff. We have drill bits. In case I dull the drill bit, I got myself a little drill doctor. And then I got a new, got a hammer. You got to make a little small pin thing on the middle of it, try to get the center as possible. And I got a little punch for that. And if all else fails, we're going to use some heat. So anyway, I'm going to take this off and go ahead and start drilling and hopefully get this guy out. Yeah. Ooh, down to the red on the video card, but hey. All right, so this is basically what we're trying to drill out. I did put tape around there. I put a couple bolts in here just to keep the tape on, because this is a dirty engine and this tape is not the greatest in the world. But we're gonna start drilling down in there. Dave's gonna come in with some easy outs. Hopefully by the time he gets back, I should have a hole in here, have it heated up, and hopefully pop it right out. I even got a new bolt for it. Wow. All right, I'm gonna start drilling. I'm gonna put this thing down because I'm almost out of memory. All right, so we got it drilled out. Now I'm just gonna need to wait for the easy outs to come, and then I should be able to do, hopefully heat it up and then just extract it. I hope, cross your fingers. Anyway, I had a few minutes of spare time, so I went ahead and cleaned up both the head and the valve cover. Now well, it's not a valve cover, I guess head cover? Yeah, well, I don't know. Yeah, this guy said it has never been in salt water. I'm gonna say nay nay. Between the way these tunes are and what this inside this engine looks like, definitely been in salt water. Be careful when you go out there and look at it. I kind of take small, blame on myself here, because I told Dave, I said, look, if you get it home, I'll get it running. Which I got it running, but I didn't think it was going to be this much work. Anyway, all right, well, I got a little bit more cleaning on this back of this block. And then I guess I gotta wait for Dave to get back, so I guess I'm going fishing. So hopefully that's... Hey, thanks for watching the show. Hey, if you need some outdoor speakers, indoor speakers, whichever, go ahead over to Handui and go ahead and get you 10% off. But if you need some LED lights for your trucks, your tractors, whatever, go over to Exito and get you 15% off. All the promo codes are down and below. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. And we'll catch you later. Enjoy the show. I gotta clean up. Alright. Gonna heat it up. It is cold out here. Don't heat it up too fast because it is cold and you don't want to crack anything. When it's messed up, the more I dig into this, the more I'm like, dude, you got that. We'll get it to run. But this thing is nasty. Yep, that just came off. Alright, so those of you that do not know what it is, this is an easy out. Looks like a drill bit, but it's backwards. So what we're going to do is actually stick it in here. We're going to hit it with a hammer and get it nice and lodged in there. Then we're going to take a little wrench and rotate that out. Maybe. Seems a fun wrench. Hey look, me again. Hey, so we got it drilled out. We actually got it tapped, and I have to say I'm not 100% happy with it. So I think what I might do is actually put it together, get it running for now, come back and put a feel gauge in there, or helicoil. Put that in there only because it's not 100%. Unfortunately, I did get into the aluminum a little bit, but we're gonna find out. So anyway, got gaskets. So you have a header gasket and you also have a head cover gasket. These are usually on back order, so plan your stuff accordingly. So anyway, I am going to put this thing back together, and hopefully I want to hear this thing roar back to life. Maybe. And also don't forget to look it up to get your torque specs so you can torque down the head as best you can. And in my case, I asked Dave to go look it up. Alright, well this sucks because I'm an idiot. Forgot one of the bolts. But we're going to go ahead and torque this thing down. We're going to do it in two different sequences. We're going to go all the way around, start in the middle, work our way out just like any other head. We're going to do a 5 foot-pounds, and then we're going to go to 10 foot-pounds because I believe the internet, because everything is true on the internet, it says 10.2 foot-pounds for head bolts. Anyway, let's get started. And we're going to go at 5 all the way around to make sure everything is even. All right, just did 5. We're going to go up to 10. There we go. Once again, here. Hey, look, I'm missing a bolt. And we are going to follow the numbers. 1, 2. There's 3. 3's in here somewhere. 3, 4, 5. So basically going around in a circle, all the way around, all the way up to 14. Should be easy. I wish I had that. Oh, I can't believe I know exactly where it's at too. All right, we'll get it down. All right, we're gonna throw in some grounds. We've got some wiring and plugs. See if she cranks. Hopefully, we won't rev it up too much because we are missing the one bolt. We don't want to mess it up. So, give me a few minutes. All right, let's see if we can get this thing cranked. Sun is going down. But unfortunately, we already tried it once, and for some reason, it's not getting any signal to the relay. So we're gonna go back to the, yeah, we're gonna do this. All right, turn the key on. All right, here we go. All right, shut it. Hey, we got success. Well, at least for now. We didn't want to rev it up too much because we still need to get that bolt in there and we don't want to warp the head. So I just wanted to make sure that it actually ran. So hopefully by the next time you see us on this project, we're gonna be putting those tunes and getting rid of these nasty things. And actually took some of the coating off. That's nasty. Yeah, tell me that it was never in salt water. And I'll call you a liar. You put screws and some of the bigger holes. Garbage. Anyway, till next time, take it easy, have fun, check out all the other stuff. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, all that good jazz. And we're gonna go ahead and pack it up, get my bolt, come back, and hopefully take this thing out into the water. If we get that guy going, we'll go in these tunes, just so Dave can be excited. Hey, turn the key on. Key's still on.